Well, good day to all of our internet friends and family. This is T. Lamont Silver Sr., lead developer and lead instructor of GTF Global Trading Formula. Let's change the world together, starting with yours. In this brief video, I want to share one of our subscribers and one of our autopiloted system account holders sent me this spreadsheet of his where he's been keeping up with all of the trades that he's participated in as a part of our autopiloted trading system. For those of you that are not aware, GTF, again, Global Trading Formula, we have our money series of training will help you get out of debt. If you're a U.S. subscriber, it'll even help you with increasing your credit scores. We also have our asset protection series of training and our attorney who will assist you in setting up both domestic and offshore corporations and offshore bank accounts. And that's for any of our subscribers globally, worldwide. We have our gold and silver series of training. But really what's attracting people from all across the globe, what has such excitement, is our trading series. And in our trading series, we leverage the global financial markets. We have a trading team that trades on behalf of our subscribers. So you don't have to know really much of anything about the global financial markets. Of course, as a GTF lead instructor, I'll help you understand it as you undertake it. But this is just a small sampling of what's been going on for one of our account holders. His name is Andrew. I won't say his last name for privacy purposes. So Andrew, thank you for sending this to me, my friend. What you're going to notice here is that Andrew funded his own account. With our autopiloted system, you'll have an account in your own name. All right, it'll be in your own name, and the broker that we utilize sends you daily email trade statements. So every single trading day, you'll be able to see the net impact of any profits or losses for that particular day, and then you can see how that maps out. So this way, you have complete transparency. Now you'll see here that Andrew opened up his account and funded it. He originally funded with just under $500. At the time, the broker required $3,000 US dollars to commence funding. And so he waited a few days before he sent up the other $2,500. And so on 12/16, he had a total of $3,012.50 US dollars in his account, and he was ready to fund. Now, as of this recording, the broker has just relaxed their funding requirements. They actually allow you to fund an account with as little as $500 US dollars. So, of course, if you're in another country with a different currency, whatever $500 US dollars means in your currency. Okay. Now, Andrew started trading. His account started trading a few days later on 12/20 of 2010, December the 20th on 2010. And I won't go through every single trade that he lists here, but he goes through, he's very meticulous. I don't expect you to do this necessarily, but he's very analytical and very meticulous. And so he goes through and he puts every single trade, winner or loser, he puts every single trade into this spreadsheet. And then he looks at the net impact of what that trade has on his account balance. So you can see, for instance, he started off with $3,012.50. His first trade netted him $9.71 to his account. And so now he was up to $3,022.21. Now what he's done that makes this very easy to look at is all of his negative trades are in red. So you'll see the positive trades in black, all of his negative trades in red. Now, as I scroll down, you're going to see on the left-hand side over in this area here, you're going to see all of the trades, okay? Every single trade that he's participated in. And you'll see a lot of positives, and then you'll see a few negatives there in a row, and a lot of positives and negatives and what have you. Now, where I really want to spend the rest of my time, because I don't want to take too long in this particular video, is over here. What Andrew has done is he would take the net impact of that day's worth of trading. So all of the trades on 12/20, you can see there were 2 trades on 12/20, 1, 2. You see that they were both positive. And so what Andrew did over here is he said, okay, on 12/20, there were 2 positive trades and no negative trades. Total of 2 trades. My profits were $25.54. This is Andrew's account here. No losses, net profit, and then his account balance. And then he shows what his return on investment is over here. Okay. So on 12/21, for instance, you'll see there were a few more trades here. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on 12/21. 2 were positive, 2 were negative. So what do we have over here? Andrew puts 2 positive trades, 2 negative trades, total of 4 trades. On his profitable trades, he was up $15.65. On his negative trades, he was down $36.52. So he was net negative that day, down $20.87. And you can see the net impact on his account, $3,017.17 is how he ended that particular trading day. And so what you'll see as we go down, we'll pay attention to this net profit category. So we loser day, winning day. Now, again, let's keep in mind, let's pay attention to the amount of winners and losers and what that meant for his account balance. Slight loser there. But look at this. Now, this is on a $3,000 account, ladies and gentlemen. On a $3,000 account, he had a $418 day, positive day. Not bad. Now, that day, trading activity was a little bit higher, 23 trades. 23 positive trades, I should say, 4 negatives, 27 trades total. The net impact of his positive trades, $458.71. I lost $40.30 on the trades that were negative. So he was up $418 for the day. Okay. So you can see after just about 8 days, past performance or indicator of future results, his account was up 14.5%. Now our target, ladies and gentlemen, is to double our account in a 12-month time period. We need about a 6% net return monthly to accomplish that, assuming compounding, assuming we weren't taking any money out. And of course, if you were taking some money out, which obviously you can, then we would need to have more than that. That's assuming that we compound. But if we ended right there for a full month, that's a great return. This is the type of return you might expect annually in something like a mutual fund. But let's continue. A winning day here, a winning day here, a losing day. Even with the net impact of this losing day, he was up 19.7% for 11 trading days. All right, you see the date there on 12/31. Now, typically when we're in holiday mode, we won't have as much trading activity. So you're going to see as we get into the new year, trading activity is going to ramp up quite a bit. And we see here was a losing day here. Now we do have a profit sharing situation with our trading team, and a portion of this losing day was profit sharing. Even after profit sharing, look, he was up 18% in his account, almost 18%. His $3,000 was now $3,550. Let's scroll down a little bit, because now it starts to get really exciting. $222 day here. Again, another nice return when you consider a $3,500 balance, almost a $3,600 balance, and then that next trading day to make $222 net. All right, and that includes my winners, my losers, my winning amount here, my losing amount here, netted $222.52. Next day down $23.79. Look at this. Let's draw our attention to this day right here. This is just amazing to me. $709.08. on what was about a $4,000, just under $4,000 account. I mean, just potent. At this point, he was up 53%. At this point, he was up 53%. Remember, his account started trading on December the 20th, 2010. Past performance, no indicator of future results. We're going to have winning days, losing days. We're going to have winning months and losing months. Okay? So I don't want you to think that every month is going to be a 70% month, but this is a real case. This is a real account. This is not a demo account. And all Andrew had to do was become a GTF subscriber, which, by the way, you can do for as little as $97 one time as a classic subscriber. We do have other subscriptions that allow you larger profit sharing. But he became a GTF subscriber. He funded his account, and everything else was on autopilot. All right, so let's finish this. He got this to me as of January the 19th. So this is up to date as of January the 19th, 2011. Obviously, you may be looking at this several weeks or several months later. As you become a GTF subscriber, you'll be able to get refreshed on not only what's happening with Andrew, but the model account that we've set up so that you can also follow. So whether you're prepared to get started right away with the autopilot account, or maybe you want to spectate, maybe money's not the issue, but you've been snake bitten before, and you just want to make sure that that the system is what we say it is. Now, I'm going to tell you what we don't say it is. We don't say that you're going to definitely make money. We can't promise that. We can't guarantee that. Anyone who does that, you need to run away from them very quickly. Number one, that's not compliant. And number two, we're going to have ups and downs in the market. So as we round third here, ladies and gentlemen, in less than a full month, just under a month. I mean, he started on December the 20th. This was January the 19th. So right about a month's worth of trading, his $3,000 is now $51,2770. He's up 70.2% inside of 30 days. Now, as we round third, what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, is simply get back to the person that shared this video with you. They can get you more details about GTF, Global Trading Formula, how you can subscribe for as little as $97 one time. That's called our classic subscription. If you want to upgrade to some of the other subscriptions, you can, but I want you to just come inside. Don't worry about the other subscriptions. You just come inside for $97 one time. And if you see benefit in all the other things, then wonderful. If not, you can just be a $97 one-time subscriber. You can get an account like this set up for as little as $500 US dollars. So think about this, friends. $600 could allow you your subscription, one-time $97, and allow you to fund an account to test the waters. Absolutely amazing. And if we hit our targets, and a person started off with $500, and if we hit our 100% a year annual target, obviously we can't promise that, and you never added anything to that account, and you didn't take anything away, in 11 years, you'd be a millionaire. You'd be a millionaire. Now, you're probably not going to do that. You're probably going to start with wherever you are, and as you see results, you'll add some and you'll take away some and what have you. But the point is, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to recruit, you don't have to sponsor, you don't have to sell anything to anyone. You have a legitimate shot with GTF. So as we round third, to get back with the person who shared this video with you, become a GTF subscriber, come to any of our live webinars that we have, and certainly as a subscriber, you'll be exposed to a lot of our recorded webinars that we have. There's a reason why people have to come to our live webinars 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes ahead of time. We only have 1,000 seats available, and we have a global audience. So certainly make sure you come to one of our live webinars. We love each and every one of you. Let's change the world together, starting with yours.